Alrighty folks, one more time. Please make sure all those cell phones are in airplane mode or game mode. No more texting or cell phone conversations at this time. Thank you. For a few moments, we're going to point out some safety features on our Boeing 737. This is our 500 series. This is a seatbelt. This is how you fasten it. This is how you unfasten it. Wear it tight, lower across your hips at all times while you're seated. There's 6 ways off this plane, 2 forward exit doors, 2 over wing window exits, and 2 rear exit doors. Signs overhead, lights on the floor will lead you to those exits. Safety information cards in the seat back pocket in front of you. Take it out. Note in the event of a water evacuation, you'll use the life vest located under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Open the container, remove the pouch. Open the pouch, place the vest over your head, wrap the black strap around your waist. Black lid in the front. Once outside and only outside of the aircraft, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. For all your do-it-yourself small into the tube at your shoulder. Christy and Leslie are coming by now to check that your seatbelts are fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in the full upright and locked position. All carry-on items are all going underneath the seat in front of you. All portable electronic devices have been completely powered. You have powered off or powered into game or airplane mode. In case you've been in an aircraft in a couple decades, you can't smoke on planes anymore. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in our aircraft lavatories. Federal aviation regulation requires passenger compliance with posted placards, illuminated passenger information signs like the seatbelt sign above your head, and your favorite and ours crew member instruction, including instructions on seatbelt smoking and electronic devices. Cabin pressure should one occur, more oxygen mask will drop from compartments overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask so the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap and continue to wear it until otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. Finally, if you're traveling with children, anybody needing special assistance, or anybody that paid absolutely no attention to us at all the last few moments, make sure you put your mask on first before helping them out. And as for the hard stuff, probably about an hour and a half in the air until we get to El Paso. Sit back, relax, enjoy your flight. Welcome aboard.